Hello everyone. Today I would be discussing with you what a project is and what project management is. So let's jump right into it. Believe it or not, if you are an adult, you are above 18, you have most probably handled a project before. Let's think about it. Have you ever tried to surprise a friend or family member, like plan a surprise birthday party? Have you tried to relocate from one city or from one state to another? Have you decided to start a new blog, personal blog for yourself or website for yourself? If you have done any of this successfully, you have successfully handled a project. In fact, there's no need to define what a project is for you because you already know what a project is and you're a project manager. Okay, I'm just joking. You have only successfully managed a project personally. You need to move from personally handling a project to handling a project professionally. And all you have to do to move from the point you are right now to become a professional project manager is to develop these inborn skills you have used to manage the personal projects. Inborn skills like the communication skills, the negotiation skills, the planning skills, the scheduling skills, the budgeting skills, the leadership skills you have. You need to develop these skills on a day in and day out basis to make you a professional project manager. Nothing really special. You just need a consistency to document your process, documenting what you are doing. This ability, this documentation, this building of skills would enable you handle project professionally, would enable you handle very large and complex projects successfully. Large and complex projects like building a bridge, building a road, a 100-kilometer road, repairing a damaged road, building a new software for an organization. And that's the main thing that separates you from being a professional project manager. So, what is a project? Trust me, if you go online right now and you Google what is a project, you'll find so many different definitions of what a project is. One example of what a project is that a project is a temporary organization created with the purpose of delivering one or more business products according to an agreed business case. Another definition you might see is that a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It has specific goals and objectives and involves a series of tasks and activities that need to be completed to achieve those goals. You may have many definitions of what a project is, but few things stands out in all these definitions. One thing you would notice is the word temporary. A project doesn't last forever. A project will always have a start date and an end date. Another thing you would notice is the word organization or a team or a group of people coming together. Unlike many of your personal projects, not all your personal projects, you are the only one involved. Sometimes your personal project you might involve others, right? For example, if you are building your personal blog or your website, you would invite a website developer or a software developer. Or if you are renovating your apartment or your house, you would invite the electrician to help you out. You would invite the plumber to help you out. You may invite the painter to help you out. You may invite the bricklayer to help you out. These people coming together with yourself creates a team to solve the problem at hand, which is to renovate your house. So, most definitions, you would always say the word team, organization. That's a group of people with certain skills and abilities coming together to solve that problem, right? Then you would also find that there's always something like an agreed business case. Agreed business case usually means the goal. What are we agreeing to solve? What do we agree is the scope of this project? What do we agree are the deliverables of this project? What are the objectives of this project? What do we want to achieve? What are the risks involved? So we all have to agree on what is to be done, and that's what business case or deliverables or goals. You will always find that out in the definition, right? So you know what a project is. A project is usually temporary. Most times it's always with a team of people, and there's always an agreed business case. There's always a goal. There's always some objectives. There's always some deliverables. There's always risks agreed to. There's always a documentation of some sort that is involved that everyone can agree to. So now that you know what a project is, let us look at what project management is. Project management is the planning, delegating, monitoring, control of all aspects of the project, and the motivation of those involved to achieve the project objectives within the expected performance targets for time, cost, quality, scope, benefits, and risk. So, what does that tell you? If you are handling a project, if you are the project manager, you are managing the project. You are delegating, you are planning, you are monitoring, and you are controlling every aspect of the project to meet the performance target of time, to meet the performance target of cost, to meet the performance target of quality, to meet the performance target of risk, of benefits, and of scope. So you are planning, you are delegating, you are controlling, you are monitoring every aspect of the project, you are motivating those involved, and you are also trying to meet these six performance targets of time, cost, quality, benefit, scope, and risk. That's that is what project management is. So I hope with this video you know what a project is and you know what project management is. See you next time and thank you for watching.